Welcome to our workshop on positive self-talk. Today, you are going to explore the immense benefits of cultivating a positive mindset and practical tools to reframe negative self-talk. Did you know that numerous studies have shown that positive self-talk can improve academic performance, increase confidence and self-esteem, as well as reduce anxiety and depression? As teenagers in high school, you may face intense academic pressure, social judgment, and self-esteem challenges. These circumstances can lead to self-doubt, fear of failure, and a distorted self-image, fueling negative self-talk patterns. But here's the good news. By learning to reframe negative self-talk into positive self-talk and affirmations, you can improve your mental health and overall well-being. You can foster resilience and adaptability, helping you to bounce back from setbacks and navigate difficult situations with greater ease. So join us as we explore and learn more about the concept of positive self-talk to empower you with a new confidence that will allow you to tackle challenging situations with resilience. Let's break the cycle of negative self-talk and make room for self-care, forgiveness, and gratitude as integral components of your lives. Get ready to transform your inner voice and live fully.